They're at the post for the 4th race, Super High Five. And they're off. The favorite, Great Southern Lady, is away cleanly on the outside and right to the early lead. El Sol now moves up and emerges with the lead. Serena's Mama attacks toward the rail. Wind Wild's Flowers away with the top flight and the last horse away. Waikiki Waves. They move on to the main track and Serena's Mama now moves through toward the rail and gains the lead by a head over El Sol, racing along second. Then it's a gap of 2. Wind's Wild Flower moves up from between horses and now checks sharply for racing room as Great Southern Lady runs by her. Then it's a gap of 3. Free Light is now being set down for the drive. 2 lengths farther back, Sharadara is now putting in a run on the outside as they're midway in the turn. Great Southern Lady now strikes to the lead. Serena's Mama tries to battle back toward the rail second. Free Light racing along third and Sharadara continuing her rally on the outside fourth. Wind's Wild Flower is down along the inner rail fifth as they turn into the stretch. Great Southern Lady, the favorite, has the race to win or lose. Serena's Mama is battling back gamely toward the rail second. Here comes Free Light third, and Sharadara is down the center of the racetrack in deep stretch. It's Great Southern Lady still there. Free Light gamely charging at the leader, but down to the wire it's Great Southern Lady to prevail over Free Light. Sharadara is third, Serena's Mama fourth, and Wind's Wild Flower will complete the 4th race, Super High Five. Unofficial results now posted on the Cholisator board. The winner, number 10, Great Southern Lady. Number 6, Free Light was second. Number 8, Sharadara was third. Number 1, Serena's Mama was fourth. And number 2, Wind's Wild Flower was fifth. The unofficial order in the Super High Five: 10, 6, 8, 1, and 2. The winner, number 10, Great Southern Lady, was claimed by Lloyd and Ann Ferrantino. The trainer, Greg Griffith. Number 10, Great Southern Lady, will move to the barn of Greg Griffith.